If you're a loan officer, branch manager, or mortgage company owner, and your business right now feels a little bit scattered, I'll invite you to something that we're doing right here in Clearwater Beach, Florida, just down the road from where I live. It is called Next Level Blueprint Live. What if you could get yourself back and beyond the numbers that you did like in 2021, 2022, during what we called the golden years? What if you found out that numbers like that weren't a fluke, but could actually be designed with a specific paint by numbers, go do this action plan, all taught by people that actually makes more money doing the activity than just selling how to do it? There's a novel approach. This is not a sit in the back of the room and take notes kind of conference. This is a 2-day hands-on workshop where Jim Reed and myself are going to help you step back, take a look at your business clearly, and build a real plan for like what comes next here to get you back to those levels. And we're going to work on 3 basic levels: your business plan, your business growth, and your sales conversation / team building. Because what we've discovered is that loan officers don't need 47 more random ideas. They simply need a clear plan, the right priorities, and the next steps that they can actually execute, right? So it's October 20th and 21st at the Hilton Clearwater Beach Resort. Easy to fly in and out of the Tampa airport, which frankly is nonstop for most of you. That's why we picked this location. And yes, it is right on the beach. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you can bring your family with you if you want to. So go to the link, grab your seat, and come spend 2 days working on your business, not just in your business. But do it right now while the early pricing is still in effect. It's almost gone. And when it's gone, it's gone. Love to see you there. Mastermindretreats.com, mastermindretreats.com. I'll see you there.